Hi everyone, welcome to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Rarible. If you'd like to change your name on your Rarible account, then simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure to open up a web browser and in the URL box at the top type in rarible.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you are logged into your Rarible account if necessary. Once you're inside, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the circle, and this will open up additional pop-up in the display. Click the settings button from the options and this will open up your account info. Right where it says display name, type in your name that you'd like to change to, and once you are done typing in your display name that you would like to change to, scroll all the way down and click on Save Settings. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to update your name or change your name on Rarible. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.